Next, algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. The first concept in this we study is equality of matrices. So two matrices A and B are said to be equal only if their orders are same and corresponding elements are equal. So the first condition is we need to check the orders. The orders must be same, and the second condition is corresponding elements are equal. That is, the first element of the matrix A must be equal to the first element of matrix B, second element must be equal to the second element, and so on. So to understand this, we will consider example. Matrix A equal to A, B, C, D, and matrix B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the orders of both the matrix are same. Then we can say A is equal to B if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 4. Second concept, scalar multiple of a matrix. Multiplying a scalar to a matrix means multiplying a scalar to every element of the matrix. Example, if matrix A equal to 2, 4, minus 1, 0, 1, 3, order of this is 3 cross 2. So 2 into A is a matrix which is obtained by multiplying every element of the given matrix with 2. Then we get 2A equal to 4, 8, minus 2, 0, 2, 6. The order of the matrix A and the matrix obtained after applying the scalar multiplication remains the same. Only the elements will change. Third concept, addition and subtraction of matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only if their orders are same, and they are added or subtracted by adding or subtracting corresponding elements, and the resultant matrix will be of the same order. So for addition or subtraction of matrices, the primary condition is the orders must be same. Example, matrix A equal to 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Next, matrix B equal to 1, 4, 6, 3, minus 2, 5, 3, 2. So A plus B is a matrix which is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So first element of A with first element of B, second element with second element, and so on. So we get A plus B equal to 3, 8, 9, 2, minus 2, 6. Consider another example. Matrix A equal to 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Matrix B equal to 1, 4, 6, 3, minus 2, 5. So here we will try to understand the subtraction process A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 2 minus 1, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 6, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus of minus 2, 1, minus 5. So on simplifying, we get A minus B equal to 1, 0, minus 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4. So next we understand some basic properties related to addition and subtraction of matrices. So first we will discuss the matrices properties of addition. So addition of matrices satisfy the following properties. First property is, if A and B are the matrices of the same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is known as the commutative law for matrix addition. Next, second property, if A, B and C are three matrices of the same order, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is known as the associative law for addition of matrices. Property number 3. Let A be any matrix and O be the zero matrix of the same order as of A. Then A plus O is equal to O plus A, which is equal to A. So here O is called as the additive identity. Property number 4. Let A be any matrix and then we have another matrix minus A such that A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A, which is equal to 0 matrix. Here minus A is called as the additive inverse of plus A. Properties of scalar multiplication. So we consider two matrices A and B and scalars K and L. Then the first property is K into A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. Second property, K plus L into A is equal to Ka plus La. We will be discussing examples based on the algebra of matrices. So first we will start with the problems on equalities. So first question, if the matrix x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0 is equal to the matrix 0, 6, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21 and 0. Find the value of x, y, z and a, b, c. So in the question already they have given the two matrices are equal. So we just go on equating the corresponding elements and try to calculate the values of unknown variables. So two matrices are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. So first we equate the first element x plus 3 equal to 0. We get x is equal to minus 3. Second, z plus 4 is equal to 6. So z is equal to 2. Next, 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. On simplifying, we get minus y equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 5. Similarly, we proceed to calculate the values of a, b and c. So a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 2. Next, we equate 0 with 2c plus 2 and obtain the value of c, which is equal to minus 1. Next, b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4. On simplifying, we get b equal to minus 7. So this is how we found out the values of a, b and c. Next example. Find the values of a, b, c and d from the following equation. So we are considering two matrices 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d and 4c plus d equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. So again In the question itself it is given the two matrices are equal, so we can equate the corresponding elements. So first we are equating the first element 2a plus b equal to 4. Next a minus 2b equal to minus 3, 5c minus d equal to 11, and 4c plus 3d equal to 24. So first we will be solving the first two equations to obtain the values of a and b. So we multiply equation 2 by 2, we get 2a minus 4b equal to minus 6, and then apply 1 minus 3. So we get 2a plus b equal to 4, and the second equation will be 2a minus 4b equal to minus 6. On simplifying we get 5b equal to 10, or b is equal to 2. Next we substitute the value of b in equation 2. So a equal to 2b minus 3, a equal to 4 minus 3, or a is equal to 1. Next we will calculate the value of c and d. So 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d, 4c plus 3d equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. So again equate the third element with third element and fourth element with fourth element. We need to simplify it further. So we multiply equation 4 by 3, we get 15c minus 3d equal to 33. We add equation 6 plus 5, so we get 15c minus 3d equal to 33, and 4c plus 3d equal to 24. On simplifying we get 15c plus 4c equal to 19c, which is equal to 57. So c will be equal to 3. Substituting the value of c in equation 4, we get 5 into 3 minus d equal to 11, and d is equal to 4. So thus c will be equal to 3